Well, it's a good day to try out my first Lite rain jacket. Rundown of my thoughts of the first Lite Vapor rain jacket. Pretty impressed with this guy, to say the least.
Damn, Jimmy, this some serious gourmet shit.
First things first, super lightweight. Got rained on this morning, threw it on, and I gotta say, for the first time, I was wearing a raincoat, and even though it's warm here in the hill country of Texas, I didn't really get hot, and I didn't really feel like that, I can't think of the word, but just that humid feeling you feel inside of a jacket.
You want it to be a bit moist.
Oh, don't say that word.
What word?
Oh, moist.
You know, when it's raining, because this thing breathes nicely. We got nice Velcro straps on the cuffs. The zippers are pretty cool. We got the covering to help with keeping this bad boy waterproof. I do like these. So these guys here help cinch where your face is. This helps cinch it around tight. And then on the back side, this guy here, you pull that tight and it actually cinches up around your head, the top of your head. So that's pretty nice. They also include this little patch, which is nice and soft, that goes on your neck. I mean, the detail, right? They didn't have to do this design in here, but it's nice, and I'm sure this has a lot to do with how this thing performs in rainy weather. First Lite Vapor, I wear the 2X, and the sizing is right. If you wear a 2X, this is gonna fit you. Nice pockets here. Oh, the other cool thing, right? The little cinch thing that goes around your waist to seal it off is this guy here. But inside the pocket, get this guy down. I'm trying to do this all one-handed. Inside the pocket is where the lock is. So you pull that tight and lock it. And it's inside the jacket. No snags. It's not gonna snag anything when you're out and about your day, or you happen to wear this when you're out in the field hunting. Now, it might be a little loud. You can hear that. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Love the color, love the fit. Everything about this jacket is legit, and that just rhymed. Boom, you're welcome. Let's flip it to the other side. So this is backside, of course. We've got the First Lite, great logo, great color orange. Here's that little thing. And they even went so as far as to put a little hood over that so water doesn't get in that. Overall, I highly recommend the First Lite Vapor rain jacket. Very impressive. The other cool thing, real quick, bonus, is as the zipper comes all the way to the top, it's got a little pocket here where it sits. I don't see how water gets in this thing, unless you happen to jump in a swimming pool when you're wearing that thing on and it flushes down your head. I think it's gonna keep you pretty dry. Anyways. So yeah, super cool. Super cool, highly recommend. First Lite to make a lot of really cool hunting gear. And even if you're not a hunter, they make products. You're an outdoorsman, you like to hike, you like to be in nature. This stuff is nice. So go check them out. First Lite. Man, this thing is just nice. And welcome to my first video of my channel. Everyday guy stuff. You're welcome. See you on the next one. Take it easy. Before I forget, this thing will roll up pretty small. Take this guy. It is so light. It's ridiculous how light this thing is. It rolls up real small, nice and tight. Take that, put it in your backpack, hide it in your vehicle somewhere. You don't have an excuse to be without this thing as far as how little room it takes, and the weight is just nothing. It's awesome. Serious outdoor gear, highly engineered, designed by hunters and engineers and all the smarter than me dudes and women folk. I mean, just a great product. Y'all need this. Y'all need this in your life, I'm serious. I don't know how I've gone so long without one. I have several other rain jackets that, you know, they're good. They do what they're supposed to for the most part. Not like this guy. This dude's on a whole nother level. You need you one. So go check him out. All right. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.